Historians use two types of sources to study history: primary sources and secondary sources. Something can be both a primary source and a secondary source. For example, a newspaper reporter may find new information while doing research on a historic event. A primary source is something created at the time of the event a historian is studying or soon after. It may be created by a participant or an observer. It might include thoughts and feelings about the event. Examples of primary sources are letters, documents, diaries, journals, newspaper articles, magazines, social media posts, photographs, drawings, maps, charts, videos, movies, and objects like tools or clothing. A secondary source is a book or journal article that analyzes primary sources or secondary sources to explain historic events. Secondary sources include the author's interpretation of primary sources. Examples of secondary sources are treatises, textbooks, dissertations, theses, research papers, web pages, and newspaper or magazine articles recounting an earlier event. You need to analyze a primary source in order to understand it. Start with the W's. Who wrote it? Who is it about? What happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Search out these facts like a detective. What can you deduce from them about the people or the historic event? Does the author have an obvious bias? Everyone has a point of view. Something is biased when the writer allows preconceived ideas to interfere with the evaluation of new information. You can discover how a person feels by their choice of words. Did they choose neutral nouns, verbs, and adjectives, or ones meant to evoke positive or negative feelings? You can also read secondary sources to discover how other people interpreted the primary sources. It's okay to disagree. Support your position with facts. Your assignment is to read this newspaper article. You can download it from the assignment page. Find these important details: who, what, when, and where. Discuss how the writer felt about the event based on the writer's word choice. What is their point of view? Did it affect their reporting? Don't spend a lot of time on it. Normally, I give students 15 minutes to do it in class. Don't write a lot. I'm just looking for one page. Upload it to the assignment page. There is a grading rubric on the assignment page. The rubric can help you understand what I think is important when I'm grading it. Please submit on time.